Hey there future drivers, here is a guide to what you need to bring for a DPS road test. You must bring your valid learner's permit if you're a teen if you finished the required classroom and behind the wheel hours. Bring a valid form of photo ID. The DPS uses it to verify your identity. Make sure you have proof of current insurance, vehicle registration, and the car must be in safe working condition. Teens under 18 need to show proof that they've completed their required driving hours. Bring the correct testing fee, usually paid by card or cash at the DPS office. And here are some additional tips. Arriving early gives you time to relax. A 2-minute check saves you from automatic disqualification before you even start driving. Keeping your papers neatly together shows organization and confidence. Instructors know exactly what DPS examiners look for, so you'll walk in fully prepared. If you liked the video, make sure you visit our official page www.adultteendrivingschool.com.